Hello everyone! In this video we will see how to check Instagram Notes history. So let's get into it. Open the Instagram app and access your inbox by tapping the messenger icon at the top right corner. In your inbox, you'll see your active notes. However, you can't view your notes history or past notes here. To access this data, you'll need to download it. Return to the Instagram main screen and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Access Settings and Activity by selecting the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Under How you use Instagram, select Your Activity. Scroll down and find Download Your Information, then tap it. On the next screen, choose Download and Transfer Information. Select the Instagram account you want to download information for and tap Next. Choose all available information and ensure the Download to Device option is selected before tapping Next. Finally, tap Create File. It may take 10 to 20 minutes to generate the file. Once the file is ready, you can view your past notes within it. That's it. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.